Welcome back. In the previous video we've created our flexible content with the different layouts, the content with image, the YouTube layout and the gallery. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the layouts that will be displayed on the front end. So head over to templates, click add new, and here we're going to choose the section. And why a section? Because section is the most minimal version of all those templates types that Elementor provides. So let's section, and here give them a logical name so you recognize them when you see them in the list view here. So this will be content with image, and let's create the template here. And this is just normal Elementor stuff, nothing special here. Just add a 2-column structure, and I'm going to make this one 40. Give it a little bit of padding to the top and bottom. And now I'm just going to drag in the widgets that I'm needing for my layout, and it will be a heading, a text editor, and an image. At first I'm going to style this one, so the heading will be a Rexy color and the typography will be a subtitle style. This one is okay, and that's fine for now. This is just normal Elementor stuff, like I said, but now we're going to connect them to the ACF Flexible Content, and it's kind of it works in a way that you know when you use ACF, you can click the dynamic tags, and then you can choose ACF. But if you clicked dynamic tags, you can now see another tag that's added here, which is the Dynoments and the Dynoments image. So click that one. And when you click on the drop down, you can see the content with image and the image that you've already created. So let's do that for the heading and the text editor as well. So dynamic tags, and this will be a heading. And you can see that when you click on the ACF field name again on the dropbox, you now can see a couple of titles here. This is because they're all of type ACF text. We are in the content with image layout, so we have to choose the title here. Let's go to dynamic tags, and now we have to choose the WYSIWYG because we have a ACF WYSIWYG that we're going to connect to this text editor. So content, and that's pretty much it for this layout. So let's publish this one, and let's create the gallery and YouTube layout. Components, YouTube, create the template, and let's add a new section here and title, and this will be a video that we're going to add. First let's style this one again, Rexy color, and this will be the subtitle. First let's connect it here, dynamic tags and dynamic text, Dynoments, and here we have the YouTube title. Let's connect the YouTube video. Let's scroll down here, you can see text, URL, and file, and now we have to use the URL, YouTube URL, and that's it. Of course you can use all the video options that you've seen here, but for now I'm just going to leave it as it is. Let's publish this one, and let's go back. And the last layout I'm going to create is the gallery layout. So components, gallery, create, and let's add the heading here and also the gallery. Let's style this one, subtitle, and I'm use a 3-column grid. So let's connect it again, and now when you click the dynamic tags, you can see Dynoments gallery, another dynamic tag that you get when you use the Rexy. Choose gallery in this part, and let's connect that one also, text, and you can see the title. Well, that's it. Publish this one. And now we have created our free Elementor layouts, the ones that will be displayed on the front end, and we've already connected to our ACF Flexible Content. In the next video, I'm going to create a post layout, or the layout for my posts, and there we're going to connect those layouts to the post. So when the content, when the user adds the content, it will be displayed on the front end. So see you in the next video.